You can use the Debtors Centre screen to view the information on your MESS members. You can also book invoices, credit notes and payments. You can edit your debtor information by clicking on Edit Debtors, and that will take you to debtor maintenance. You can also record notes against each MESS member, view their turnover and balance, and statement and transactions. So first of all, you need to select the MESS member you want to view the details for. So you can do that by MESS number or by name. So if I was just to click the down arrow under name, that will give me a list of everybody. Alternatively, I can type in the first part of a person's name, click the down arrow, and it will give me a list of all the names that match what I've entered. So this gives me a list in the statement grid. I've got statement and transactions. So statement will give you a list of everything outstanding and for the last month. Transactions will give you a list of everything forever. You can also scroll through your MESS members using the arrows at the top of the screen. You've also got under the statement and transactions option, you can view each of the transactions by double clicking in the asterisk column. So if I was to want to have a look at this credit note, for example, this is actually an additional MESS charge. So I double clicked on the asterisk column and this takes me into the details of the transaction. I can change it or delete it by using the change button at the bottom. I can also narrow down what I'm seeing in the transactions grid by date range. So if I was to enter just one particular date, so I can either type it in or use the calendar box. So this now just shows me the transactions that meet that criteria. So all the transactions for the 16th of June. We go back and view all our transactions. We can also narrow it down by type. So if I was just looking for payments, for example, I can right click on the type column header and this gives me a list of all the different transaction types. So if I was to select payment, that just shows me the payment types. It also tells you whether they're outstanding or not. So this is the OS column. So if there's a value in there, then it's outstanding. And then if we to look at turnover and balance, so there's a toggle on this button. So this gives you their current balance and their turnover. You can also print a MESS bill directly from this screen. So you just click on print MESS bill, or you can export it to PDF. That will generate a MESS bill just for the selected member.